3D. I'm presentation 3D printing for anatomy human. Medical student attempting what many of us make see as impossible, trying to learn human anatomy. It really is not mean, Fed. Professor Reddy Mongali, head of anatomy, Likong China School of Medicine. There are so many structures in the body. The organ in the abdomen. They are relatively easy, but their head and neck anatomies is a more complex because of the intricate structure. Traditional students have used plastic models to learn about the body, but they are rigid and generally not anatomically accurate. They are also plastinate cadavers, real human bodies inject with plastic, but they also have the travel bag. And because there are actual human bodies, they are very hard to come by. Professor Mongali was served for a better way. Professor Reddy Mongali, head of anatomy, Likong China School of Medicine. So, when I was reading, I learned about 3D printing technology. I thought, okay, we can also use this technology. Other in the field where 3D printing model of human body part. Professor Mongali took this a step further. He realized if they use multiple different material, they can make part of the body, such as the veins or bones, feel different and even be different color. After 15 hours on the printer, you have an anatomically correct model of the heart. Relatively cheaper and easier to replicate. They can be used in the countries that make otherwise repairs for religious reasons. Not have access to real human cadavers, helping to better educate the next generation of doctors. Thank you and good evening.